Good morning, guys. We're going to look at lesson 94 today, using estimation when dividing by two-digit numbers. Today is April 30th. So back in lesson 92, it talks about a method to help us divide by two-digit numbers. And the problems in that lesson were chosen so that using the first digit to guess the division answer would work. However, this method is not always going to work, so we're going to learn another strategy for two-digit division. What we're going to learn today, we're going to be using our guess, our estimation here, but we're not estimating what the problem is going to be. We're just estimating on how to get started with our problem. So if I start with 59 divided by 19, what we see here is that I have two numbers. They're not compatible. It's going to be difficult to divide them. So I'm going to create some compatible numbers here by rounding, all right? And again, this estimation is not going to be our answer. This is just how we can mentally round both numbers to the nearest 10, all right? If I'm thinking about using what's called the first digit trick, I'm looking here at this first digit of 2 and a 6. I know that I can do 3 times 2 will be 6, right? Then I can start right here with a 3. I'm thinking now 19 times 3 is 57. So that got me really close instead of having to go over here and think, okay, 19 times 2 is, 19 times 3 is, 19 times 4 is. Creating these compatible numbers here and estimating helps me to do this a lot quicker. So now I'm going to do 3. 19 times 3 is 57. That gives me a remainder of 2. So this is just another division trick to help make things a little bit easier on you. For this lesson, there's not really anything much to go over. Just remember your division algorithm, what we talked about last lesson, and those steps, and remember to bring down any numbers. You are going to be doing only the odd numbered problems, so make sure when you turn that in, you have done just the odd number problems. If you have any questions, please let me know. Have a great day.